how to redeem codes in Clash Royale. So if you want to redeem codes in your Clash Royale, then if you're using your Android, you can go with your browser, your Chrome browser. If you're using your iPhone, you can go with your Safari. So after opening your browser, you just need something to go with your search and then search for Supercell redeem code. And here, as you can see that it says that you need to go with Supercell store. So tap on store.supercell.com and you will get this kind of interface. So you need to go with Clash Royale store. Tap on it. Once you tap on Clash Royale store, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just tap on login and log in to your Clash Royale ID or Supercell ID. Once you've logged into your account, you need to scroll all the way down and you'll find an option of redeem code. Once you find the redeem code, you need to just enter the code and then tap on submit and you'll be able to redeem your code in your Clash Royale. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.